Hey, what's up guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here. And as you can see here, I've actually been launch jacking for a while now, and I don't launch jack a ton of products. I really just try to pick evergreen products that can make me money like over a long period of time, and not just like products that are going to be just hot for like a week. But you can see here, I just typed in, I'm in my incognito window here. So this is one of the products that I promote, Superfunnel Hero. You can see like these first 3 videos are actually all of these are my videos. I have one on my main channel and 2 on my other channel. So basically getting a lot of traffic to that actual offer and making sales with it. This is the funnel franchise. This is another kind of evergreen, product that I can promote that's been generating me sales for the past couple of years. We're talking thousands and thousands of dollars. These products have generated me. Here's partner with Anthony. Here's another keyword that I go after, partner with Anthony Morrison review. And you can see my video here. That's got over 7,000 views at the time of this video, and I made a ton of money with partnering with Anthony and all the products and services that come along with that funnel. So, but none of this pales to comparison what I've recently learned in this program about launch jacking, and I want to kind of talk to you guys about it really quickly. And it's called it's a product by J.K. Dowdle. It's REMS 5, and this stands for like really helpful internet marketing stuff. And he actually came up with this product called the Launch Jacking Guide. Now, I thought that I knew some stuff about launch jacking until I actually went through this course, and I learned a whole bunch of other things that I'm definitely going to be implementing into my launch jacking. I may actually start doing more launch jacking when it comes to just affiliate marketing, internet marketing products, because of what I learned here in this course. The course was excellent. Here, they basically give you kind of an overview of what launch jacking is. And this kind of starts you out with launch jacking 101, talking about how do you find good launch jacking opportunities, how do you get approved with the vendors that are, promoting these products, how to get early release. This was a really good video on how to get early release and how to pick the right product. So this was just really good information. Again, a lot of people think they just know things until they really find out that they don't know everything. So this was some really good nuggets within this launch jacking 101 that I learned. Just some little tidbits that you can pick up on in terms of getting approved for requests and getting early release to actual products that are going on sale. Now, when I got to this module here, your launch jacking campaign. So this is where the meat and potatoes of the actual product comes in at. The launch jacking roadmap, the phases of the launch jacking. So there's 4 different phases. There's the pre-content phase. There's the open to cart phase. There's the mid-launch phase. And then, of course, there's the close of the actual launch. And there's different things that you need to actually do during the different 4 phases that can really highly increase your conversion rates and your sales of the actual product that you're trying to sell. Not only that you're going to learn like the different phases, you're going to learn some different list building techniques that it blew my mind. So I don't want to give it away in this video, but literally you're going to be able to learn how to list build whether or not the person even buys the product from you. You understand what I'm saying? So like this was some pretty advanced, cool, super stuff because, when people are launch jacking, obviously there's competition. And so even if somebody says, oh, well, this person's bonuses are better, or I ended up buying from somebody else, he actually has a strategy within here that shows you how to still list build even if the people don't buy from you, right? And it's really cool. And even if the traffic is just watching your video because they're trying to get the information, you can still list build. There's an opportunity to list build anytime somebody watches your video, your review, even if it's a video on YouTube or a post on your blog or something like that. So really good information. Priming your tribe. What do you do prior to the launch? Creating your bonuses, creating the review, and then managing the launch. All of this stuff was really good information. You also had a whole module on how to get traffic to your actual campaign. So whether you're a spanking brand new beginner, there was some opportunity to get traffic in here. And or if you're a seasoned veteran with a list and an audience, obviously he teaches you how to get traffic there. And there's some case studies in here too, as well as some bonuses, guys. So again, I highly recommend this product. Again, I've been launch jacking for a while and I learned a lot by actually going through this content. The Content is super thorough. Most of these videos are, 12, 13 minutes long. So they have really good content. Some of these videos are even longer, but they're power packed with little tidbits and tips that I'm going to definitely implement in my business. This guy that created this, JK, that created this program, he's a super affiliate, and he's just a stand-up guy in terms of affiliate marketing. And he's just a stand-up guy in terms of what he does in the affiliate marketing industry. So I really like him and respect him on how he actually manages his campaigns and his business within affiliate marketing. So I also do have a bonus for you guys. If you want to pick up this launch jacking guide through RIMS 5.0 in the link in the description, I'm actually going to give you guys a bonus too. So within here, you're going to learn all about launch jacking. He does touch on some video SEO as well, but I want to give you guys another video that I actually never released about getting your videos ranked. So this is a video I did last year. I actually never released the video, and I want to give that video to you guys as a bonus to kind of show you some other tidbits that you can do within your videos and things that you can do from an SEO perspective. That's super easy. That's not like, crazy SEO stuff. You don't even have to have any kind of software or anything like that. It's just a strategy that I show you how to do it, and it can help with your videos getting ranked as well as getting your videos kind of in the suggested side of YouTube. So if you go ahead and pick this course up in the link in the description, I'll have a email address that you can go ahead and send me an email and send me your receipt, and I'll go ahead and flip that video to you guys. So that you can actually have that as a bonus. And you see that, a lot of my videos have been ranking for years. And so this is some of the things that you're going to learn in that bonus video. So that's going to really complement what you're going to learn here in RIMS 5 and this launch jacking guide. So I wanted to just make this video because it's a really good course. I learned from it. I'm going to implement the things that I learned, and I wanted to pass it on to you guys. So if you're interested, go to the link in the description now and pick up RIMS 5, and then definitely shoot me an email with your receipt, and I'll get that video out to you as well. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you did. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.